American Fisherman. This is Brian Caesar, celebrating 4th of July with my family and celebrating freedom. What better way to do that than right here? Put the safety on and give you a go at it.
I hit the can.
You're doing great.
Land of the free, home of the brave. Happy Independence Day, America.
Oh my gosh, that's a fish. Did you see that?
I had a fish. I told you I had a fish.
No, you didn't.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, wow.
What's this?
He's going after it.
Oh, you got fish!
Oh my goodness. Oh my darn.
Oh, it's a cutthroat! It's a cutthroat!
Woo!
Here, baby.
It's a good size.
Cutthroat! There's fish!
First fish of the day.
Okay,
Nice little cutthroat. There we go. I'm going to get this back in the water. And get another one.
Stop it,
Oh, that felt good. Did you see that?
yeah.
Did you see that? Oh man. You ready?
I'm ready.
Watch this right here. Oh man. Another miss. Oh my god.
Oh my golly!
Woo! He's spicy.
It is a cutthroat!
Is it?
No, it's a brown. It's a nice one too. At that. I got it. Good job, honey. That's bigger fish than mine.
Oh my gosh. Come here. I'm sorry, buddy. He is spicy. I need a net.
Oh, that's
Woo! This is the biggest brown I've ever caught.
All right, baby.
so huge!
Here, point her here. I'll get a picture. All right.
Man,
Cool, baby. Pretty.
he's so beautiful.
I put that in the water now.
How many inches is that? Look how beautiful he is.
Where'd he go?
He went that way.
What is it? Brown trout cutthroat? It's brown.
That's right.
Because I didn't see the orange things.
I don't know if I want to walk this way.
Oh, I got a little guy. That is the smallest trout I've ever caught in my life.
Really? That was the smallest?
It's a deep. That. It's a little brown.
Let me see him. Aww. So cute.
Now, Vincent would probably say, let's fry him up and eat him.
Oh. I don't see it there.
next to my foot. Hold on.
What's vocal about it? There we go.
Ah.
It's right there.
Where's he at?
Brown.
Oh my goodness, it's huge! Look how big it is.
It's a good size.
For this water, it's pretty good size.
Actually, it's a good one.
Is that huge or what?
Make it quick, baby.
There we go. Don't move. Okay, that's good.
Whoa, 5 fish here!
That is a fat fish. A circus boy.
Nice. Kind of a little small, but cute.
I don't know I'm gonna land it over here though.
Now bring it over here.
That's good.
Good size.
Another American fisher cutthroat trap. Are you recording?
Yeah.
That's funny. Got it, man.
Awesome. Finally. You've been trying for that guy for days.
There's a nice brown right in the middle. Right there.
Nice. What's that? There it is.
Now, do this exercise. Do a squat. Watch the hand.
Watch the baby.
Watch the baby. Where's the dad? Right here. Little.
All right.
Zebra midge style. Barely got him hooked.
That was with the zebra midge.
There he goes. Hey. It is a brown. Oh, you better believe it. Then, hand, wet, fish, goes, little American fisher. Barely got it.
There it goes, there it goes.
All right, number 2. Just keep on stripping it in.
He's really strong. It's the current. A little bit smaller, but he's beautiful.
Here, hold it up.
Oh, it's the brown.
Okay, let's get him in the water.
No, stop. Stop.
You tell him, baby.
Don't film me doing it.
Because it's big fish.
It's not the same fish. It's a lot smaller. A little bit smaller. Let me get this out again, then I'll let you go, okay? They got little tiny teeth.
Yeah.
There you go. Woo! Yes!
Okay.
Watch out.
Got a hook, caught my leg, it was in my pocket. And didn't notice it, so let me get it out.
I see blood.
You do?
Yeah.
So the trick is you tie this around the shank, down at the bottom part of the hook, and usually you have some willing soul that'll rip it out.
Do you want me to do it?
No, you just watch.
Okay.
Just keep your eye right here. Ready?
I
One.
can't watch.
2, 3. Okay. And it's out.